Hey, welcome back to Rusty Bow. Slight change of plans today. I'm going to take the 17-layer billet and flatten it out with the intention of wrapping it around this billet. This billet is 111 layers, but once it's closed up, it'll be 222. And once I add this leaf spring into it, that'll be 223. When I get that done and I wrap around the 17-layer billet, that will be a much bigger billet, somewhat bigger billet, and that I will turn into some kind of wakizashi-ish or possibly a short katana. We'll see, but yeah, let's get going on that, see how we do. There's good reason for my change of plans. This 17-layer billet has a lot of mass, and if I shaped it and insert in here, it would protrude from the edges and over the top and everything. It would be just too much metal sticking there. I really don't want to waste it, so I'm going to use this as a wraparound. And I'm going to put the spring steel in the middle, and that will serve as the blade edge core. I think that would work best. So we're going to work on some or all of that this morning. Achieved quite a lot towards my goal today. I did pretty good flattening this out so far. More importantly, I got this folded and welded. So this is now 223 layers. When I get done, I'll wrap this around. This is going to be 223 plus 34, 267 layers, I believe. So you can do the math. Maybe I'm wrong. I think that's it. So anyways, been a great morning for blacksmithing, but mostly cloudy and cool and breezy out here. And that's great because I am really, really sweaty. And so, okay, I will see you on the other side of the week. Stay well, be good.